Welcome back to the channel. Today you find me sitting in the back of our 1993 Toyota HiAce Super Custom Limited Turbo Diesel, just looking through the factory manual that came with it, and I just really enjoy looking at how quirky and cartoonish they have everything. Just flipping through the pages, it tells you so much information. You don't even have to be able to read Japanese, and you could probably figure just about everything out on this vehicle just by the diagrams, how descriptive and easy to read and easy to follow they really are. Something else cool, got this whole folder full of receipts, tons and tons of maintenance records from Japan, previous owner. But the real reason I'm sitting back here is to show you guys this table. The table came factory from Japan. Not positive if it is a factory option or a dealer add-on, you know, when you get your new car and the dealer tries to upsell you on a bunch of stuff. This might have been one of those. Not really sure on that. I am really sure that it is super rare. I have yet to come across another HiAce that has one of these tables in it. And just from the construction of it, it's definitely made for this. I'm going to show you the underneath. You can kind of see that little hand screw to take off the table part. And then you just have this hand screw right here that attaches to the rail system that this third row kind of glides across, and it attaches itself into that, and then you just fasten it down so you could slide it up or all the way back, just, you know, wherever you're wanting the table. Or if you're not wanting the table in here and you need more leg room or haul some more stuff, you just take it out. Not that big a deal at all. It does have these small little aftermarket cup holders. There's two on this side, two on that side. Something that the previous owner in Japan decided to add to this table just to give the rear occupants a little bit more storage for some cups and bottles of water, tea, coffee, whatever they have back here. And just to help out with the card table, got this massive light right over the table, so if it wasn't enough to have the sunroofs, at least the glass open, you also have this easy 1 foot by 2 foot dimension light to illuminate above this very cool, very rare card table. Thank you for watching. Hope everybody has a wonderful day.